Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the topic characteristics of computer. So the characteristics of computer are speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, reliability, automation, memory. These are the main characteristics of computer. First of all, we are discussing speed. Speed, as you all know, speed shows the performance of the computer. A computer works with much higher speed and accuracy compared to humans while performing mathematical calculations as well as other tasks. Computer can process millions of instructions per second. The time taken by computers of their operation is microseconds and nanoseconds. It means the performance of computers, they perform very fast as compared to human beings. Suppose I am taking an example. If you want to color a picture, it will take, if you will do it with your hands, it will take about half hour or 1 hour, isn't it? And the same thing if you will do with computer, then it will take about 2 or 3 minutes, isn't it? ऐसे ही तो होता है. अगर आप कलर करना चाहते हो कोई पिक्चर, आप मैनुअली कोई पिक्चर कलर करते हैं, इंडिविजुअली कोई पिक्चर कलर करते हैं, तो आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा? हाफ आवर, और कम से कम हाफ आवर तो लगेगा ही. और सेम थिंग अगर आप लोग कलरिंग आप कंप्यूटर में करते हैं, देन इट विल टेक 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So this is because of the speed of computer. It can process millions of instructions per second and can perform an operation within microseconds or nanoseconds. That means सेकेंड से भी बहुत छोटा. 1 सेकेंड में बहुत सारे काम वो कर लेता है कंप्यूटर. 1 सेकेंड पूरे होने से पहले ही वो काम कर लेता है. Second is accuracy. Accuracy is most important, children, because speed अगर बहुत हाई है, ठीक है, speed is high but the output is not accurate, so it doesn't mean, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. अगर आपकी स्पीड तो बहुत हाई है और एक्यूरेसी नहीं है तो इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल. Suppose I gave you to multiply 2 numbers, that is 103 and 103 and 107. Multiply this number and suddenly you give me answer within 2 seconds, ma'am, 14876. Is this answer correct? Your speed was good, very high, speed was very high, but the answer is correct. What about accuracy? So the output should be accurate. Computers perform calculation with 100% accuracy, and errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy. Errors आती हैं कंप्यूटर में, लेकिन वो कंप्यूटर की वजह से नहीं आती हैं, वो आती हैं आपकी गलतियों की वजह से, आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग की गलतियों की वजह से. सपोज मुझे डिवाइड करना था 64 डिवाइड बाय 8 और आपने लिख दिया 48 डिवाइड बाय 8, तो आंसर आ गया 6, जबकि आंसर आना चाहिए था, आंसर शुड बी 8. तो हुज मिस्टेक इज दिस? दिस इज आवर मिस्टेक, नॉट कंप्यूटर्स. कंप्यूटर वही करता है जो हम उसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं. इट विल ओनली डू द थिंग्स विच वी इंस्ट्रक्ट इट. नेक्स्ट इज डिलीजेंस. Diligence means it doesn't feel any fatigue or lack of concentration. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सुबह से ही प्रेजेंटेशन बना रही हूँ और ये नहीं है कि उससे मुझे अब कंप्यूटर मुझे अब बोल दे नहीं मैम इट्स डन, अब मैं थक गया हूँ, प्लीज़ आई वॉन्ट सम रेस्ट. No. So this is diligence. A computer can perform millions of tasks or calculation with the same consistency and accuracy. It doesn't feel any fatigue or lack of concentration. Its memory also makes it superior to that of human beings. ऐसा नहीं, सपोज क्लास हो रही है और हम बोले बहुत देर हो गई क्लास होते हुए, अब तो थक गए. मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स डू द सेम. हाँ मैम, दिस इज़ 8 पीरियड, हम सुबह से थक गए, आज साइंस में इतना काम हो गया, वी वर राइटिंग होल डे. Now ma'am, please don't take our class. Ma'am, don't give us to write something. So this is our nature, not computers. This is diligence. It doesn't feel any fatigue or any tiredness. Next is versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of a computer to perform different kinds of work with same accuracy and efficiency. Versatility means the computer can work different tasks with same accuracy and efficiency. I'm giving you an example. Suppose in human beings, what happens? Suppose one student like to write in Hindi and another one like to write in English. And suppose I give the work to write in English to both the students, then one will be so late, isn't it? लेकिन कंप्यूटर में ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में सेम स्पीड के साथ काम करता है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स don't like division. Many of the students don't like divisions, and they take much time as compared to multiplication. In division they take much time. क्या कंप्यूटर में भी ऐसा होता है? No. कंप्यूटर में क्या होता है? It calculates multiplication or division with the same accuracy and same efficiency. It will not do any mistake in division because it is so hard, or it will not give any error. If the numbers are big, then it will not give error, or it will not take much time to calculate the calculation. So next is reliability. A computer is reliable as it gives consistent result for similar set of data. If we give same set of input, any number of time we will get the same result. जितनी भी बार हम कंप्यूटर को सेम इनपुट देंगे, it will give us the same result. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ टाइम बाद वो रिजल्ट कुछ और बोलने लगे. नहीं, आज तो लाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स, yesterday they said something and today they are saying something. No, it will give the same output for the same input every time. Automation. Computer performs all the tasks automatically. That is, it performs tasks without manual intervention. कंप्यूटर बहुत सारे काम ऑटोमेटिकली करता है. लाइक आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल. इट रन्स many of the files automatically. For example, booting it do automatically. It does automatically. वो ह्यूमन से यूज़र से नहीं पूछा है. इट नेवर आस्क्ड टू यूज़र क्या मैं बूटिंग कर लूँ. No, as we on our computer, it starts its booting. So this is automation. Next is memory. A computer has built-in memory called primary memory, where it stores data. You all know what is memory, where it can store data, where we can store data so that we can retrieve it for future use. And computer have two types of memory. One is primary, that is its internal or built-in memory, and second is secondary memory. The secondary storage are removable devices such as CDs, pen drives, hard drives, etc., which are also used to store data. But in primary memory, we have two types, RAM and ROM. In my next video, will study memory organization. So memory is one of the characteristic of computer. If your computer is not having any memory, it is not able to store data. It does not store any data. That means it's not a computer. It's just a calculator. So thank you, students. You can like and subscribe my video. You can like and subscribe my channel to get notification for my latest videos. Thank you guys.